Welcome guys to our cooking show, Fomzi's Cooking Show. In today's cooking show, we are making banana pancake bites, the perfect breakfast delicacy. Thanks to the sponsors of today's video, Manga Butter, the best healthy butter you need for baking and cooking. Let me introduce you to the ingredients we will be using for this meal.
Hi creators, welcome back to another powerful tutorial. Today I am showing you how to start your own professional faceless AI cooking show. Yes, the same type of AI cooking video and AI food videos you have been seeing everywhere. And the best part, you can do everything using just your phone. You don't need experience. You need only creativity and a clear picture of how you want your AI cooking video to look. So stay with me because I will show you the exact free AI tools I use to create my AI chef, how she moves, talks, cooks simple meals, and stay consistent across every scene. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor, tap on the like button so that more people can discover this tutorial. And if you are ready to start your own cooking with AI channel, let's go. To start a faceless YouTube AI cooking channel, the first thing you need is a meal or menu idea. But if you have no clue what AI cooking video to make, don't panic. Here's what I did. I opened ChatGPT and used this exact prompt. I want to start a faceless YouTube AI cooking channel. Suggest interesting meal ideas that perform well. ChatGPT understood the assignment perfectly and gave me 12 top performing meals for an AI cooking video. From that list, I chose number 9, which is banana pancake bites. Pick whichever meal catches your interest. Once I chose my meal, I asked ChatGPT for a detailed step-by-step breakdown of the entire recipe, in close-up scene-by-scene style, from the first step to the very last. And I specifically told it, make the instructions in JSON format for text to video. Show ingredients separately and individually. As a beginner, you might ask, what is a JSON prompt and why use it for AI cooking videos? A JSON prompt is simply a clean structured format that AI video and image tools understand better than long messy paragraphs. Instead of dumping everything in one block of text, JSON organizes your request into fields like scene title, shot type, camera angle, lens, focus settings, character description. This makes your instruction crisp, clear and cinematic, which means better video quality. So to create my AI faceless cooking video, I use JSON to structure every single scene. Next, after ChatGPT gave me all the JSON prompts, I didn't copy everything at once. Here's exactly what to do. I read through the JSON lines carefully, copied only the text that belongs to the scene I wanted to generate. For instance, the JSON prompt for ingredient number 1. This is because ChatGPT gave me all the scene prompts at a go. Go to grok.com, tap the first result, and sign up using your Gmail. On the left panel, tap the Imagine icon. You'll see a text box. This is where you paste your JSON prompts. Before pasting, change the generation type from image to video. Choose your aspect ratio, 1:1, 3:2, or 2:3. For YouTube, 3:2 works almost like landscape, so I selected that. Paste your text, hit send, and Grok begins generating your 5 seconds video scene. If you don't like the result, you can regenerate. If you do, download it. Repeat this for every scene ChatGPT gave you. Ingredients showcase, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, up to the final review. And yes, all of this can be done with your phone, so don't stress at all. A quick reminder, if this is helping you so far, subscribe for more powerful AI tutorials. And do not worry, I have pasted the exact prompt I used in the comment section and in the description, so check it out. Right now, you need to create your AI studio and your AI chef. This part is optional though, but if you want your AI cooking show to be visually engaging and consistent, You need a personalized studio and a stable AI chef. Here's what I did. I asked ChatGPT to help me establish my AI chef. I gave a short description of how she looks and instructed ChatGPT to keep her appearance consistent. In the same prompt, I added, she should walk into the kitchen confidently. The studio should have my personal neon light text inscribed as Fumzy Cooking Show. The background should match the cooking theme. Output should be in JSON format. ChatGPT delivered a clean JSON prompt. I copied it, went back to Grok, made sure the video option was selected, pasted the prompt and hit send. Grok generated a super realistic clip of my chef walking naturally onto the stage. This was shockingly good and still free. Now that my chef has walked into the stage, let's make her talk like a real cooking host. Here's the trick. Play the chef walking clip, pause at the last frame. If you're using your laptop, right-click, scroll through and click on Save Video Frame As. If you're using a phone, at the Imagine/Favorite option at the left-hand side, just tap on it and then click on the video. Pause the video at the last frame, then tap on your screen and click on Save Image. This keeps your next scene consistent. Now go back to ChatGPT and say, now that my chef is on stage, write what she should say as she introduces the show. Put everything in JSON format. Review the text. Edit everything you want. Then copy the JSON back to Grok. Before generating, make sure to turn off Grok's automatic animation. To do this, tap your Gmail profile icon. Go to Settings, Behavior, scroll through and tap on Turn off auto video generation. Now click on Attach to upload the saved image and paste your JSON text. This will generate a custom talking motion with perfect consistency. When you are done, you will have a clean talking intro. If you want your chef to move about, wash her hands, pick up ingredients, mix batter, just ask ChatGPT for JSON prompt describing those actions. Upload the last image frame, paste the JSON and let Grok animate it. Scene by scene, you will build a full cooking show. If this is giving you ideas already, comment AI cooking below so I know you are following. After all video clips are ready, ask ChatGPT for a voiceover clip, though this is optional. This voiceover clip will explain the cooking step clearly and professional. Then go to Google AI Studio, tap on text to speech, choose a single speaker audio, add style notes such as calm, friendly and clear. Paste your script, choose your voice, hit run and save your audio. Add light background music. I use the YouTube audio library because all the tracks are copyright free. Finally, take all your clips and assemble them in either InShot or CapCut's video editing tool. Add your voiceover, background music, transition, timing, and polish it creatively. And boom, you now have a professional, consistent, faceless AI cooking video, just like the one you are watching. If this helped you so far, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe for more, share this with someone who wants to start a faceless AI cooking video. Thanks for watching.
Welcome guys to our cooking show, Fumzy's Cooking Show. In today's cooking show, we are making banana pancake bites, the perfect breakfast delicacy. Thanks to the sponsors of today's video, Manga Butter, the best healthy butter you need for baking and cooking. Let me introduce you to the ingredients we will be using for this meal. Before we start, let's maintain hygiene and wash our hands properly.
Start with one ripe banana. Slice the banana into small 1.5 centimeter coins. In a bowl, combine half a cup flour, half a teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Whisk 1 egg with 1/3 cup milk and a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla. Pour the wet into the dry and whisk until smooth. Heat a skillet over medium heat and add a tablespoon of butter. Spoon small rounds of batter into the pan, about a tablespoon each. Press 1 banana slice into the center of each round. Cook until small bubbles appear and edges set, about 1 to 1.5 minutes. Flip gently and cook the other side until golden, about 30 to 45 seconds. Stack a few bites, drizzle with syrup, and dust with powdered sugar. Enjoy!